Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can show the color oscilloscope feature on CapCut PC. So this feature will help you to adjust the color grading on your videos. And in here, what you need to do to show it is go to the CapCut PC player in here and click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner, and there will be this color oscilloscope feature. So now it's currently hidden. Now you can just click on the show to show it on your edit. So in here there are three options that you can do. So you can by using this you can easily create a good color grading, or easily do color grading on your videos in a CapCut PC. But still, you can use the adjustment, this one. So in here, the first one right here is to balance the white in your videos. And the second one in here to is used to set the lighting on your videos, which is too dark or too bright. And the third one, this one right here, is used to set the skin tone. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.